Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. QuiteRSS is an open source cross-platform RSS reader written on Qt and C++. It is very simple to use software and its installation is as simple as its functionality. Now let us see its installation on ParrotOS. For this, switch to your ParrotOS terminal. Before starting with your installation, make sure to add your repositories, that is required repositories, inside sources.list file. After adding with your required repositories, save the changes and update your system by running apt-get update command. After updating your system, install your application by after installation, launch your application by click on your internet tab. You'll be able to see your application here. Click on this to launch upon your terminal. Your application gets launched up like this. You will get a terminal like this, which comprises of the following tags. If you want to add a new reader, click on this tab to add a new feed. This is to update all the added feeds. And this is for filtering your feed and mark your feed rate. And thus we have seen how to install QuiteRSS on ParrotOS version 3.9. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.